Hey, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're focused on how to make word search puzzles, but we're going to do that by comparing Puzzle Book Mastery and puzzle publishers. So let's take a look inside of both and see exactly what each one offers and talk about the pros and cons. So to get going, and we're going to be focused solely on the word search aspect inside of this comparison video, but I'll also show you all the puzzles that are available inside of each one. Let's do that by grabbing a word list. And to do that, we're going to jump over to Puzzle Word List Database. Of course, there's a link in the description. You can check this out if you don't know what it is. And we're just going to scroll down here and take a look at one of these word lists here inside the Puzzle Word List Database. And we're going to go with things that rhyme. And we're going to go ahead and go with things that rhyme with fool. Just click here to download that zip file. That'll quickly download here in the left-hand corner. As you can see, we'll go ahead and open up that zip file. Then we have a text file right here, things that rhyme with fool.txt. And there we go, some words that rhyme with fool that we can use when we create these word search puzzles. And to do that, let's jump over into Puzzle Book Mastery to start. So inside of Puzzle Book Mastery, of course, the word search is at the top, and that's the one we're focused on. So we're going to be demoing. But they do have word matches, word scrambles, cryptograms, as well as number searches. And we'll take a look at these too. Also, this includes Sudokus. So inside of Puzzle Book Mastery, if you want to create a word search, you have to upload a file. And right here, you do that under Word Searches. And here you need to drag and drop or click here to upload a file. Then if you want to open that, we can simply open things that rhyme with fool.txt right there. And you go ahead and click Continue. That will upload the file into the database. Now, once you want to create a word search puzzle, this is one of the cons, but also one of the pros of Puzzle Book Mastery, and let me explain. Puzzle Book Mastery is a tool to make a puzzle book. It's going to output it in PDF. When you want to make a word search puzzle, you can either drop down the number of puzzles you want to make in increments of 4 up to 20, or you can use the advanced option. There's also a text output. We're not going to cover that. We're just going to go ahead and take a look at the advanced option. And inside the advanced option, here is where you can select which puzzles you want to create based on the files that you have uploaded. As you can see here, here's some of the files that I've uploaded to include things that rhyme with fool. And the first word in that list is cool. Just note here that Puzzle Book Mastery takes the title from the text file. So the first line in the text file is the title. As you can see in this example, if we open up our things that rhyme.txt file that we got from Puzzle Word List Database, you can see things that rhyme with fool is the first line. So that will be the title. So you need to make sure that you plan ahead when you upload this into Puzzle Book Mastery. So if we want to create this puzzle book, what we have to do is we have to remain in increments or multiples of 4 in this case. So we'll just go ahead and we'll just grab these right here, these 4, and we'll go ahead and we will make puzzles. And you'll see that that simply and quickly spits out a PDF with 4 puzzles. There's our first puzzle, things that rhyme with fool. Here's the other 3 puzzles that we had to create inside of that PDF, as well as the organized solution page with 4 solutions per page. So that's 1 page for each group of 4 puzzles in the solution. So it's just that simple to create a puzzle and a puzzle book using Puzzle Book Mastery. So now let's jump over to Puzzle Publishers. And inside of Puzzle Publishers, now this is a full membership. So you have training, you have software, you have templates, you have some roadmaps of the things that are coming soon inside of the Puzzle Publishers community, the membership. There's also live trainings because Puzzle Book Mastery does have training on how to use the software as well as also how to publish the books, for example, on Amazon KDP. But it doesn't have live trainings that are done inside of Puzzle Publishers because, again, this is a membership, not just access to a software, but let's focus on the software at this point, and we'll go ahead and we'll click Access Software. So here you'll see the software. You have Simply Maze Crazy, the legacy version of Simply Maze Crazy, Word Search Crazy, which is going to be our focus because we're doing word searches in this Puzzle Book Mastery versus Puzzle Publishers Showdown. They also have Dot the Dots, Daisy Editor, Crazy Hangman Builder, Robot Crazy Builder, and an e-cover creator, which is coming soon. Those are currently the ones that are up in the membership area. Again, we're focused here on word search. We'll go ahead and click Access Now. So once Word Search Crazy comes up, you're going to see the options here. It has a built-in menu. So you actually input the words that you want to build your puzzle into the editor right here inside of the membership area. So for example, we'll go ahead and we'll grab our words from the things that rhyme with full text file that we got from the puzzle word list database. And we'll just go ahead and copy those. And we'll paste those right in here. You can see here, remove space between words. That's if you have 2 words per line. You have the ability here to select a title. You can see the puzzle title popped up here. So in this case, you can create the puzzle without a title, or you can put the title in. So in this case, this would be things that rhyme with fool, if you are so inclined. It has the ability also for a transparent background. Of course, this is if you download it as a PNG versus a PDF. So we'll go ahead and leave that unchecked for now. Now here is one of the things inside of the Puzzle Publishers tool, Word Search Crazy. You have the ability to do alphabet as well as numeric. Now Puzzle Book Mastery does have the numeric puzzle option, but again, this is a automated puzzle book generator. So it generates the numbers for you, where in this case, if you were to select a numeric, you can put in your own numeric values here to create your own unique puzzle. So we're going to go ahead and set that back to alphabet. We're going to go with the 2-column versus the 1-column solution. Also, you have the ability to add editable hints. And what that does, it gives you the ability to enter in here your own text. So for example, you could put in hints instead of the words. So what's going to happen here is I'll show you real quick. We're going to use the 2-column output and we're going to generate the search. So you'll see that the words listed right here, cool, tool, rule, pull, drool. But if you went with editable hints, you'll see that that clears that out if you don't want them. Or you have the ability to add your own hints right here. Hint number 1, hint number 2. Of course, those hints would apply to the words, so people would have to guess the words or figure out the word and then find them in the search. So then when you generate the search, you'll see it generates the search, and then when you download the PNG, you'll see it downloaded in the left-hand corner. Now when you open that, you'll see that you have your .png with a transparent background here, as well as with your hints down here and your title. Actually, we didn't check the transparent background, so it came with a white background. We'll go ahead and check the transparent background option. Go ahead and generate that search again. Go ahead and download that PNG now, and we'll take a look at the difference here. Okay, so now you can see here side by side the puzzle without the transparent background, which is a white background, and now you see it with the transparent background. Of course, in the editor it's going to appear black, but there is no background, so you could easily lay this over another color in a Word document, a PowerPoint, anything you use to create your book. So that is the PNG option. We'll take a look and we'll go ahead and download the PDF option as well. So that'll pop up the PDF option right here, and you'll see that the page is right there. You can simply just click save, and then that will save that as a PDF. And then you have that PDF option as well from Puzzle Publishers. But in my opinion, the power of the Puzzle Publishers interface is the ability to create more customized puzzles, individual puzzles. It doesn't really have a book option because it's not a book builder. It is a puzzle builder. So for example, if you wanted to change the width of this puzzle, you would simply just up the width and just generate that search again. Now you can see that puzzle grid has grown, as well as there's other solution options than the ones that are available inside Puzzle Book Mastery. Here you can see the bolded, highlighted version, as well as the secondary version of the solution, which is the more traditional circled option. So we'll go back real quick and take a look again at all the software inside of Puzzle Publishers. So you can see right there, it has the Maze software, the Word Search Crazy software, the Dot Crazy software, the Daisy Editor for some quick editing right here inside the membership area, Crazy Hangman Builder, as well as Robot Crazy Builder, eCover Creator coming soon. And again, it comes with templates here, also training, software training, as well as live trainings. There's also a Facebook group for Puzzle Publishers, as well as there's a Facebook group for Puzzle Book Mastery. And of course, again, inside of Puzzle Book Mastery, you have word searches, word matches, word scrambles, cryptograms, number searches, which is a reminder, Puzzle Publishers inside of Word Search Crazy has the ability to generate numeric searches as well. This has Sudokus, and it outputs it into a PDF. But there are text options here if you want to output those, and then you can open them in Word and you can edit them there. But there is no PNG option inside of Puzzle Book Mastery. So that was a quick showdown, Puzzle Book Mastery versus puzzle publishers. I have access to both. I own both. I use both to generate books and puzzles to publish. So I will say that they are both strong in what they do. In this case, Puzzle Book Mastery is a puzzle book generating software. It takes your files as well as the automatic generated input for number searches as well as Sudokus, and it creates those puzzle books ready to print in PDF 8.5 by 11. Whereas over in Puzzle Publishers, you are joining more of a community. You're joining a membership that also has live training with tools that give you the ability to customize your puzzles, and then you take those puzzles and you generate a book if that's what your end goal is. Again, links in the description for both Puzzle Book Mastery and Puzzle Publishers. I recommend checking them both out, seeing what you think. Also, check out the link for the Puzzle Word List database, which is a quick, handy little resource to grab some words so you don't have to spend your time creating word lists. You can focus your efforts on creating puzzles. This video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those. Keep watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.